Hey class, this is volume of a sphere. So let's just go and begin. The volume of a sphere is two different things, but they're pretty much the same exact thing. Volume is equal to 4/3 pi times r cubed. Or the only difference is instead of having a fraction out in front, you can just kind of separate. We'll put 4 in the numerator of this fraction and the 3 in the denominator of this complete fraction. Now, what's the difference with this and the other formula for cone and cylinder is that typically we would just square our radius. The thing is, now we are cubing it. So just don't forget that you have to multiply whatever your radius is, whatever your radii is, 3 times. That's the only unit that we're going to plug in. We don't have a height. We don't have a base. We just have this complete circular 3-dimensional figure. Whatever the radius is, plug it in. That's the only information you need. So right over here we're going to find the volume of this sphere where the radius is 3 yards. Okay, so let's just go ahead and plug it in. So if I were to just rewrite this formula, first of all, the radius is, let me just write that it's 3 yards. So I'll put B equal to 4/3 pi. We'll put open parentheses, and in place of that, we'll put a 3. Now again, order of operations, you have to simplify your exponent. So let's just do this off to the right. 3 cubed, that means 3 times 3 times 3. Well, 3 times 3 is 9. And if you bring down another 3, that is 27. Okay, so I'm going to rewrite this. I'm going to put pi, we're going to move it off to the end. So let's just going to put 4/3. We're going to multiply. All this is multiplied. 27. And then we'll put pi all the way in the end. Now I have a fraction multiplied with an integer, so let's go ahead and multiply this. If I multiply across, we're going to multiply 27 times 4. All right, let's just do some more scratch work. This is 28. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2 is 10. So that is 108 divided by 3 times 1 is 3 pi. Okay, let's simplify this fraction. So we have 108 in the numerator. We're going to put that inside, and 3 on the outside. 3 can't go into 1. It can go into 10 3 times, which is a 9. Bring down the 8. 3 can go into 18 6 times. So this is our volume is 36 pi. So now we're going to write pi. Yards cubed, so cubic yards. Alright guys, that's the way that you write your answer here. Or again, if you always want to multiply, try to get a more exact answer, you could also write this. After you multiply 36 times pi, and the answer for that, we're going to put approximately equal to, is 113.1, 113 and 1/10 cubic yards. Alright guys, again, do not become too reliant on calculators. Right, we did all this math off to the right. It was pretty simple. This video is 3 minutes long. Okay, that was not a long problem. Okay, just believe in yourself. That's it. Let me know if you guys got questions. Bye.